Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel WordPress Beginner Hacks. We are going to learn today that how we can export and import a WordPress website from one location to another. So most of people need to change their hostings, and if they need to ever export a website or from a staging environment to production environment. So this guide will definitely help you in all that process. We will try to be specific as much as possible so that we can define this process uh, with some simple steps so that it stays easier for you to follow me. If you got the files from someone else and you simply need to import, you can move forward this video a little bit more, and when I start importing the website, then you can follow these steps. So stay tuned with me and watch this complete tutorial so that you will be able to follow all the steps that I'm going to show you, and you can definitely import a website very easily without any help. Okay, to export a website, this is the WordPress admin for my own website. So I'm going to the plugin section, and then I need to click on the add new. Once I am in the add new section, what we need to do, we simply need to install a plugin. Okay, here we are. And now we need to search for all in one. Once you search this all-in-one, you simply need to install it. Don't try to install this plugin because this is buggy and it has a lot of errors these days. So stay out of it and simply install this one, all-in-one WP migration. Then activate this one and wait for some time to let it show you up that it is installed successfully. Okay, plugin activated. Then you need to go to the left bar. Here you can see the plugin has been installed and activated. You simply need to click on the export. Okay, when you are in the export section, you need to click this option, file, export to file. There are other options, but these are technical one, and one who don't have web knowledge or server knowledge, you cannot go with any of these options. So for non-technical people or developer who are at the beginner stage, they simply need to click on the file format. Once you click on the file format, it will start checking your files and its compatibility. And now you can see that it is retrieving a list of all the WordPress content files. Okay, so you will see different bubbles like this. Okay, as you can see that it just started archiving all the content files, which is like 6,186 files, and it will take some time. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this for now so that once it is at the next level, I can then tell you what is happening, because it still needs to archive your database as well, and then it will make it ready for the download. You can see now it is importing, exporting media files, which are 3,984, and it is 53% completed and still running. So this is another pop-up that you see after the content files. And once this is completed, I will show you the next pop-up, whatever it has. so that you know that you are going through that phase as well. Now you can see after archiving all the media files and content files, it is ready to download. Once you click on the download, it will start downloading a WPress. It will start downloading WPress file. Okay, be sure to check its format, because if you don't have it usually downloads WPress format, but if it is not, then there might be a problem with your website or its files. Okay, I'm now going to close it since my file is already downloading. Let me now show you that the backup we are downloading, where it is currently within this WordPress admin. If you click on the backups, you will see this new backup available within that section. So that section is directly corresponding with your server, like public HTML of your website host. So if you go into your file manager, then you need to click on the public HTML. Then you need to go into the WP content folder, and from WP content folder you will see another folder at the top, uh, which will be like A1W or something like that. So once you go into that folder, you will see this backup also available in there. Okay, and since we now have this backup available, let me show you how to import a WordPress website once you have done the Flash installation. Okay, for importing a WordPress website with the help of WPress file format, you need to click on the import. Once you are into the import section, you need to follow the same steps that you have used for exporting it. Okay, there is one little trick. You need to know that what is the size of your WordPress website. If it is more than 32 MB, that means you need to buy their unlimited package, okay, or unlimited plan. But I have a cracked version of all-in-one WP migration plugin, which you can download from my website once you go to this article. Uh, this article. Yes, export, import WordPress website. Okay, you can go to my website wpbeginnerhacks.com, and from there you will see its crack version available, and you can download that version. Once you download that zip, you again need to go into the plugin, click on add new, and once you click on the add new, there will be an option. Let me show you, to upload the plugin. Okay, I'm gonna upload the plugin. I'm gonna upload the plugin. I'm just like telling you the steps, and hopefully you will follow these steps and you can do that the way I'm gonna do it. Okay, you can see this crack version is available with me, and I'm now going to upload it within my website, so that all of you who want to like increase the size of 32 MB available size for the free plugin to 512 MB. This once you install this crack version, it will change the upload limit from 32 MB to 512 MB. Okay, and you need to select this one. Once you select and install it, it will run and it will show you that it is installed and activated. But please remember, one more thing, that if you have already installed a free version of all-in-one WP migration plugin, you first need to go into the plugin and you need to deactivate it and then delete it from your installed plugin directory list so that the crack version can run successfully. Otherwise, it will start giving you error, and this might like corrupt all of the WordPress environment that you have like just installed. Okay, once you have the crack version available, it will show you 512 MB of size here. Okay, and if your website is more than 512 MB, then you definitely need to buy the unlimited package. Okay, for importing, you need to again select the file format. Once you select this file format, you can go there in the wherever the WPS file is has been downloaded. You need to go there and you need to select that file. Once you select that file, uh, this pop-up will show up you in case you have 32 MB limit. But if you are using my crack version, then it will go through and it will simply show you up that whatever you have installed on this WordPress environment, it will replace. So you need to agree with that. Since you have the fresh WordPress installation, you don't need to worry about that. You simply need to click on you simply need to click on the OK and let the process begin. It will run the same process again, like archiving your content files, then archiving your content, sorry, media files, and then it will show you another pop-up at the end that it will override all the database interface. You need to click that one as well and agree with that this plugin has permission to override all the existing database files. Once you override that, it will sometimes it shows up another pop-up for the database update. Simply click on the update button and your website will start running on the server that where you are importing this file. If this video helps you, you simply need to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whatever I post on my YouTube channel, that is available within your mobile, or you get the instant notification on your mobile for all my future videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.